Today is a beautiful December day, and it would be a shame if I didn't use it for some outdoor activity. I'll go for a walk along the Dobuzhan Gorge 3 kilometers north of Tržič in the Gorenjska region. On my way back, I will stop at the town of Tržič. Between Tržič and the gorge is the village of Chadovje. Here, the old Yamanshny house and the Pashtba dated 1766 stand. Don't you know what the Pashtba is? Neither did I until I read something about it. It is a flax dryer, and it is an example of a unique Karavanks buildings with all its ethnographic features. The Dobuzhan Gorge is not far away. The Dobuzhan Gorge was carved by the torrential river Tržička Bistrica into old earth foundations. The gorge is formed in conglomerates, limestones, sandstones and clays. It is the largest waterfall barrier in the quartz conglomerate in Slovenia. The river stretches across a unique waterfall of large rounded blocks of white quartz conglomerate. Here you can see a geological pillar. The Paleozoic rocks of the Dobuzhan Gorge and the younger Mesozoic rocks of its wider surroundings are presented in the column in order of origin from the bottom up. The gorge is incredibly picturesque because of the 6 tall stone pillars, the Pushpegar belfries. Here we can see one of the towers. Geological trails, a forest educational trail, a mountain trail, a lookout trail, and a path to the partisan printing press are made to the gorge. The gorge has been proclaimed a natural monument due to the unique remains of the fossilized plants and animals in the rocks of the ancient Paleozoic. Many species of rhizopods were first found and described here. Let's stop now in the town of Tržič. In 1492, Emperor Frederick III granted market rights to marketeers for weekly fairs, which further stimulated the development of the settlement. The Great Fire of 1811, which destroyed the buildings on the left bank of the local river, significantly changed the city. After the renovation of the buildings, they had to have firewalls, iron doors and window shutters, which was a rarity in Europe at the time. The famous person who was born or lived in Tržič is Countess Franziska von Strassoldo-Grafenberg, the wife of the Austrian General Joseph Radetzky. Finally, by the advice of my friends, I went to the cafe on the main square. Here I had a cake with pistachios and tangerines. It was delicious. The young waiter told me it was his mom's recipe. I recommend this cafe. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.